Today it's the 28th of August 2021. We finally got inside here on Valtuustonkatu 9, as they say here in Järvenpää Teskellä, Uusimaa, Finland. This was one of the most important elevators that we had to film still today.
Yeah.
And we finally got it. But we of course have the second from 1987. Valtuustonkatu, which is one, but I'll take it later.
Yeah.
The capacity is 40 persons, 325 rooms. This was also built in 1980. Turned 40 years old in the last year, 2020. And of course, we have filmed the staircase here last time, or it was a year ago almost, but we did it. It was the original today as well, and the serial number is H44372. We'll be inspecting it next year, 2022, and the floor indicator is working here. Let's ride it properly. Just testing the door open. Very amazing and rare.
Yeah.
Both of them. They have the single split with automatic doors.
Yeah.
More rare.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin hyvä. Meidän eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
I'll have a closer look at the fornicator. Check the door.
Noin.
I like how it is more fresh here.
Yeah.
The button light worked here, but inside doesn't work, so it's quite simple, but it's very amazing. It's so interesting. It's occupied light outside, but they could also have lamp indicators outside, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, could have been. Yeah, could have also been a great addition.
Yeah.
You can press the ground floor button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please also watch the case video. They're both very rare. Rare in Finland too.
That's